What's good? What it do, YouTube? It's the 4th. I'm gonna say happy 4th to the ones that celebrate this shit. You know. And anyway. I'm finna you know, we finna go do some stuff. Trying to get some people to come out, but I know for a fact we're gonna get some firework content. But I gotta wash my car. I gotta clean the inside. But right now we're finna go to my cousins and stuff and my grandparents and then my mom, and I'm gonna try to hit up my homeboy Rennie. At my grandparents' house. I'm gonna wash the car and shit when I get to my mama's or whatever. But we finna chill for a little bit. I guess I'll just get back to you when I'm washing the car. I don't know where I left off at, but anyway, look, like, this is this. So I'm gonna try to come do all that later on. Because I got everything blocked off. So we're going to my mama right now, and I'll get to y'all when I get to watch. Look at that. I'm in that fast car switching lane. Coming up that mountain, getting nah, it's like Bavard be lit, I guess, but I'm from Asheville. But we on the way to Hendo right now, and like I said, I'll pick back up when I get to y'all. But I'm gonna do a little pulls and some little clips and shit on the way there. Cutting up and driving. But yeah, as far as today, I'm just trying to get content for y'all. We're gonna get some fireworks at the end, and yeah, we just gonna have a fun day, y'all. I just hope y'all be safe. I hope y'all be safe, stay safe. What the? I hope y'all be safe, stay safe. I've been drinking watermelon. But anyway, yeah, we out. I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. I just got to the car wash and shit. Gonna wash my car. Shit dirty. Shit dirty as hell. Where? Alright, do what you got to do. Ew. Ew. Stop being fucking weird. Nigga's a weirdo. I'm gonna take this nigga's car. It smells like a rich white dude in here. Aaron.
Rich white dude, man. I don't know what to tell you. How's it going?
Cause he's mixed with like
Percocets, I'm trying to go straight to the moon. Niggas talking like they cute, but you know really how I do. Cut his fucking
boy, if you don't get
head off, yeah, I'll send him to our food. These niggas screaming, I say. These niggas talking shit, I'm screaming, okay. Bitch, I'm a warrior and not. Man, I feel like Anu, Enil, and Murado. These niggas talking like no. Nigga, I pull up, beat your ass, shoot your shit like I'm cold. Bitch, I'm talking to the devil. Bitch, I know I'm half dark, half light, I can't help it. Bitch, I'm smoking, trying to ease my pain. Got the evil thoughts, but I feel well known like that.
more coins you good. So right now I just got done washing the car. I didn't clean the inside yet, but I will. I'm gonna go to a parking lot and show y'all. I'm gonna wipe it down and shit, and then get some pictures of it or whatever. But other than that, we're gonna ride around, and yeah, we're just gonna enjoy the day today. Yeah. All right, Chad, we finna drive the car.
I be trying to spare these niggas.
Shit sound good. Stop. I can't wait to tune this. Oh God, I can't wait to tune jingle. I can't wait to tune my baby.
Niggas talking like they cute,
But,
but you know really how I do. Cut his fucking head off.
I'm gonna get some more tools when we get on the highway.
These niggas screaming, I say.
I'm gonna go to a parking lot and probably like wipe him off a little bit. And then get some clips of him, you know, looking all purdy and shit. You know, you hear me?
Niggas talking like no. Nigga, I pull up, beat your ass, shoot your shit like I'm Kobe. Bitch, I'm talking to the devil. Bitch, I know I'm half dark, half light, I can help. Bitch, I'm smoking Chinese, my pain. Got the evil thought, but I feel under like no cane. I be nervous, but I know a nigga not insane. Got these voices in my head, yeah, you know I let them guide me in a nigga brain. I should do that for my soul. Bitch, you talking to a god. Snap his neck, I killed the ghost. Grandma said I need to pray. Highly favor and protect it, so you know I keep it close. Niggas talking
I'm gonna
like
spray this
they
motherfucker off again.
Take your soul.
But right now, it's just for the time being. I had to spray him off, spray him down. But I'm gonna get back and wipe him down, and then I'm gonna spray him off. Right now, yeah, that's what we doing. Stop right there. All right, chat. So goddamn, this is. Come on. Goddamn, this is what we got so far. I'm gonna spray him off again on probably my Monday or Sunday, but I just had to get what was on the top part off. But usually what I do is, you know, I put a bucket, put that stuff in it. I wipe them down because I'm trying to do my own detailing stuff. So I wipe them down, then I vacuum them, and then I take them up to the car wash or whatever, and then I'll spray them off at a car wash and then use the car wash vacuum. But what I usually do is use my stuff first, and then yeah. But this is what I did so far. But yeah, so I'll catch y'all when we doing what we doing. Right now, finna get you some pulls and shit. Hold on, chat. We finna cut up. Chat. Chat. We're going, chat. Slow down. 12 might be over here. Listen up, boy. Hold on, listen up, boy. Hold on. That was so stupid. That was so stupid. Sound nasty.
Why are you yelling, bro? The fuck is you yelling for?
Like, he's lagging. I've been trying to really learn how to use my paddle shifter, so like this is what it sounds like in automatic when I take off. I know y'all heard that fart. Gone, right? So then I'm gonna slow it down though, right? And I'm gonna use my paddle shifters, right? Hold on, I'm gonna break it down, I think I'm getting better with it. think I'm getting better with it. So goddamn, I ended up taking a nap. I didn't even go to that shit up time. I'm trying to go fucking catch some fireworks. It's like 9 something right now. I'm trying to go catch some fireworks and shit while I still can though, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to hit the crash real quick and see if they still doing some shit. Look at that shit, chat. We're going this way. We're going this way. Come on. Let's go, chat. Look at them shits, chat. Hold on. I'm trying to get us some fireworks, chat. We need content. Come on, YouTube. Hold on. Oh, hot pockets. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, we're going that way. We gotta catch this shit. Come on, chat. Oh! Damn! They busting them hoes. Oh, bro. Look. Ah! Bussin'. She's stupid. She's stupid. Oh my God. That shit crazy. I wonder which way I need to go. I'm gonna go to the college. I know which way I need to go. I know which way. This car, hurry up. I know which way. Yeah, I know exactly which way I need to go. I'm gonna park in the road, stupid. Stupid man. Look at this. Look at this. This is exactly what I'm talking about. And there's a drone right there. You can see that bitch in the sky. There's a drone right there. These firecrackers. Oh my God. Yo, that shit's crazy. Damn. Wow. Whoa. That shit crazy. Look at all these people. This shit's crazy. Oh my fucking God. I'm finna park at Cars Walk. Hold on. I'm going to Cars Walk. Niggas can't tell me shit. I grew up at Cars Walk. Right here. Finna park at Cars Walk. I'm finna watch it. What? Oh my fucking God. What the? God damn, bro. Yo. Chat. That's crazy. They finna do the finale here in a minute. Oh my God. Shit's crazy. Uh-oh. That's crazy. Yep. I'm glad I came out here. I wasn't the only one out here either. This might be the finale. This might be the finale. This is the finale. Maybe. I think. Oh my God. Yeah, y'all see that spaceship in the sky? Yeah, I think there's a UFO watching it. I don't know if I can see it, but there's definitely something in the sky watching it, and that's not a drone because it's way up there. Damn, y'all can't. Oh. This is so beautiful. This is the finale. It's about to be the finale. Bro, and they're launching all from down there all the way up. These things are going really up, bro. Gang. That's the finale. This is the finale. Oh my God. That was the end of that was the finale right there. I'll tell you one thing about Brevard. We always know how to do fireworks, man. I'll tell you one thing. Right. Oh, look. Bro, they doing it better than that. Okay. Come on. They teasing. Well, I guess that was it for that one, for real. Well, chat. That was that. That was it's the best fireworks I've ever seen in a minute, bro. Like, that was better than last year.
With breaking news out of Asheville, 2 people are dead following a shooting there. Police say it happened at around 2 this afternoon on Bingham Road, and this is an active investigation.